Weather has been crazy. I mean, crazy since the South and the Midwest and on the North. So, this is really hard for many of us, especially if you have a wheelchair and you have other disabilities and you have to deal with a lot of this because some of it is um, some of it is raining a lot, so much. Some of you have tornadoes, and some of you have weather so hot that is really hard for many of us. So I really want people to become aware of your weather and to see how yourself is okay, to check yourself for somebody to be checking with you, and also for yourself to be aware of the weather in your area. If something is going to be really awry and very difficult, then make sure that you are getting the help you need during that time. So whether it's raining or storms, or whether it be tornadoes, or whatever's going on. So the weather has been absolutely nuts for the summer. So I really want people to check with each other, with your family, with your friends, with there is the uh, shelters or any place that you need to use so that you are safe. Because I'm always looking for something that will be safe. I have a lot of things that I need to talk about, but I wanted to talk about the weather because especially I needed to go to a meeting, and they told me not to go because it was too hot, 100 and something. So it was like, okay. And being a wheelchair user and traveling, they said no, don't go. So I had to cancel, which is great. That they were paying attention, and they were concerned for me, and they said no, don't go. So I sent the questions that I had that we need to discuss, blah blah blah. So we'll do it differently. We'll do it through email, and they'll send me some answers that I need. So it's that kind of thing. So how are you doing in terms of electricity and what's being, for your wheelchair? It's being checking. If your health is being checked. So it's all these kind of things for a hard weathers. So for so many of us. So some of you are having terrible storms on the south, and the middle of part of the United States is having very difficult weather. Some of you are having earthquakes, and in different countries are having very difficult earthquakes. So it's all of this at once. So it's very hard. So I want everybody to be aware and health help each other in all of this and what's going on. So I just wanted to share this, and it's earthquakes and it's storms and it's all this kind of stuff that's going on. So be careful with all of the things that you need in your home. And see if you need a shelter, if you need a family to help you, or you need a friend, or you need yourself in your house, that you need a shelter in your home. So it's all those crazy things that you need to look at. And there is a list that I will look for, so that I will put the links for that, so you can look at things that you can check for for weather, and the different things that you can check for yourself when there's bad weather for summer, because this is what's going to be the time to do a lot of weather problems. So it'll be different when it's winter, winter. But right now we're in the craziness in the weather problems during summer. So I want everybody to have that information that will help you. So I will make sure that I have some links that you can click and take a look at some ideas that will work for you in your home and keep you going, in a safe way. All right, everybody, I don't want to blah, blah, blah during the day. So take care for everything. Thanks so much for the likes, and thank you so much for the subscribing, and that helps for our channel. So take care, and I will see you, and I hope that you continue to be safe as a wheelchair user. Take care. Bye-bye.